Welcome to CMC Serve Compliance Engine. In this tutorial, I will demonstrate to you how the view for the regulatory content is structured. This is very important in order to get the most benefit from reading regulations on CMC Serve Compliance Engine. First, you will see the regulations list is divided into columns, which are the actions column, the category column, the article title column, and finally the regulations number, name, and article number columns. Also, you see above the list two buttons which are Select All Rows on Current Page button and Select All Rows on All Pages button. I will explain how to use those buttons later, but now let's go back to the article title column. A unique feature the Compliance Engine provides over any regulations database over the world is providing a descriptive title for the article text. Our regulation analysts are putting big effort in reading each article and provide this descriptive title to make it easier for the user to navigate the regulations list and find the required regulatory requirement. You can read the content of the article by clicking the Read button. But first, let's see what other navigation options available. If you click the checkbox for one article, you will see two additional buttons appeared, which are Add Selected to Legal Register and Clear Selection buttons. The Add Selected to Legal Register button is used if you want to save this article in your legal register, which is a very useful feature the Compliance Engine provides to receive email notifications about changes to this article. We will demonstrate the legal register feature in more details in a later video. But for now, if you click this button, a pop-up will appear asking you about the location to where those articles should be saved. You can think of locations as different folders representing your company locations, for example, head office, warehouse, lab, etc. This is useful to organize the applicable regulations for each location separately. Once you chose the location and clicked the Add to Legal Register button in the pop-up, all selected articles will be copied to the legal register under the designated location, and a bookmark icon will appear next to each article confirming that the article was copied to the legal register. Now let's see what will happen if you selected more than one row. You will notice that a new button appears, which is Read Selected Together. This button is useful if you want to read or compare between two or more articles together, or maybe you want to read the whole law or decree in one view. The default view for the regulations list shows 50 row per page, unless filters are applied. If you scrolled at the bottom of the page, you will see pages numbers which you can click to switch between pages. This is the point to demonstrate the two buttons at the top, which are Select All Rows on the current page and Select All Rows on all pages. As the button's name implies, each button defines the range for selected rows. Once the rows are selected, you can add to legal register, read articles together, or click Clear Selection to reset the view to its original state. And this how the regulation database feature is structured along with the function for each available button in it. In the next tutorial, I will show you how the article view is structured in order to demonstrate to you how reading regulations on the Compliance Engine is a very unique user experience that enrich your regulatory requirements search. See you in the next video. Thank you.